So guys, we are going to be writing a bash script that will help you monitor your system performance. The bash script will also provide a real-time information about your Linux machine, and it will monitor your resource usage of your Linux computer as well. So the bash script can also generate an HTML report of the system performance scan. So first of all, we're going to be opening up our terminal. So this is our terminal here, and we'll be executing this command as a root user. So I'm going to be going as a root user. So I'll put my password. I'm now the root user. So the next thing we're going to do is to go into the folder where we are going to be creating our script. So we are now into the folder where we want to create our script. And the next thing we are going to do is to create the script itself. I want to name my script system monitor. So you can as well name your script whatever you want to name your script, but just make sure it ends with .sh so that the script can be executable. So this is the name of my script, and we have created our script into our downloads folder. So this is our downloads folder. So what we're going to do next is to make sure the script is executable by running the following command: chmod plus x, then the script name. So the script is now executable. So what we're going to do next is to go into our code editor, and where we're going to paste out our code or write our code, then see if our code works. So I will be using Nano as my code editor. You can use Vim or Nano. So I'm using Nano as my code editor. Nano system monitor.sh. So we are now into our Nano editor. So because of the length of the code, we can't be writing this code in this video because it's very lengthy. So if we are to write this code in this video, it will be very long, but I can send you the code if you want me to. Just send me a DM or drop me a comment in this video, and I will send you the code. So let me go to where I wrote my code. So this is my code here. I will be copying my code and pasting it into my Nano editor. So let us paste our code in the Nano editor. So as you can see, the code is very lengthy. It's not what we are going to be writing in this video. So this is it here. And the next thing we are going to do here is to make sure that we save our code. So to save our code, we'll be writing Ctrl O, then enter. Then we exit the Nano editor by pressing Ctrl X. So we are now back to our terminal. So our code is saved in Nano editor. So let us test if our code actually works. So we'll be writing the following command: sudo for system monitor .sh. So as you can see, it's running a system scan, but before it ran the system scan, it first of all downloaded and installed the dependencies that will be needed in the running of the system scan. So it downloaded and built the dependencies. As you can see here, all the dependencies are installed, and the one that needs upgrading are upgraded as well. So as you can see, it's showing me all the system properties of my Linux machine: the host name, the OS, the uptime, and the memory as well, the CPU usage. So even the networking properties of my Linux machine are all displayed here. All the open ports and the protocol they are listening to. So as you can see, the ports here are listening to TCP protocols. So it's very useful if you want to run a system check, and if you want to see what's going on with your Linux machine. So I have active connections and the ports they are listening to. It will also show you the timestamp, the last login. As you can see, this is me here, and it's showing me the timestamp when I logged in last. Saturday, March 1st by 15:54, and it's still saying that I'm still logged in as we speak. Now, after writing this code, if you want the system to be generating report at timely intervals, let's say you want the system to be generating report every 5 seconds, what we can do is, we are the root user. As you can see, we are the root user. So what we can do now is to run the following command. So with this, sorry, once I think I made a mistake. So with this command now, the system will be running a timely interval of of your of your system performance. Let's say 5 seconds. I put 5 seconds here. So every 5 seconds, the system will run a check and display the result of the check. So every 5 seconds, you'll be getting a report. It will be displaying the report of your system performance. So let us execute this command now to see what's going to happen. Enter. So as you can see, refreshing in 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds it will refresh. As you can see, is refreshing. Let's wait for another 5 seconds. Yeah. Every 5 seconds it will refresh. Yeah, as you can see it. So if you want to terminate this process, just press Ctrl C. The process is terminated. Now, what if you want to see the result of this system scan in HTML reports? So what we can do is to run the following command as well. So if you run the following command, it will display the result in HTML report. So as you can see, this is our HTML report of the result of the scan, and it's showing you here that it's done. So this is how you can run a system performance check on your PC, on your Linux machine, and it will give you the detailed health check of your network, the network protocols of your PC, the ports, the open ports of your PC, the ports they are listening to. And if anything is wrong with your PC, you can now decide on how to tackle it best. I hope this video helps. If you need further assistance, or if you want me to do a video on anything Linux, cloud engineering, network engineering, DevOps engineering, or system administration, just give me a shout out and I'm going to do that and post for you.